In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Microsoft Teams phone number. If you're using Microsoft Teams on a desktop computer or in a web browser, the process is usually very quick once you know where to look. Your Teams phone number, if one has been assigned to your account, is typically connected to the calling features inside Teams. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest places to check. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer or go to the Teams website in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in and looking at the main Teams interface before moving on. If your organization has enabled phone calling for your account, the number should be visible somewhere within the calling area. Once you're inside Teams, look over to the left-hand menu and click Calls. This section is where Microsoft Teams keeps all of its phone-related features, including your call history, voicemail, and dial pad. If you don't immediately see calls, keep in mind that your organization's setup can affect what appears in the menu, so the layout may look slightly different from one account to another. After you open the call section, look for the dial pad. This is the keypad used for entering phone numbers manually. In many cases, your assigned Teams phone number will appear above the dial pad or somewhere nearby on the screen. It may be labeled clearly, or it may simply be shown as part of your calling information. Take a moment to scan that area carefully because that's often the fastest way to find it. If you don't see your number there, there's another place to check. Click your profile picture, then open Settings, and go to Calls. In that section, review the calling information attached to your account. If a phone number has been assigned to you through Microsoft Teams, it may appear there along with other call-related settings. One important thing to remember is that not every Teams account includes a phone number. If your company or organization has not assigned one, you may still see calling options without seeing a direct number listed. In that case, you may need to contact your internal IT team or Teams administrator for confirmation. That's how to find your Microsoft Teams phone number using the desktop or web version of Teams.